Big shakeup at Verizon. Tech veteran Dan Schulman is taking over as CEO, while Hans Vestberg steps aside. What's behind this change, and what does it mean for Verizon's future? Let's talk about it. Verizon's new CEO. Verizon just announced that Dan Schulman is its new Chief Executive Officer, effective immediately. Schulman has served on Verizon's board of directors since 2018 and became lead independent director in December 2024. Hans Vestberg, who's been CEO since 2018, will now serve as special advisor until October 4, 2026, and remain on the board until then. Verizon says this is a next chapter focused on customer growth and performance. Why the change? Verizon's been struggling with slow growth, subscriber losses, and tough competition from T-Mobile and AT&T. Vestberg invested heavily in 5G and enterprise expansion, but the company sold off most of its media assets after mixed results. He also led a major $20 billion deal to acquire Frontier Communications, aimed at growing Verizon's fiber and broadband footprint. Schulman will now oversee that integration and chart Verizon's next direction. Who is Dan Schulman? Schulman led PayPal from 2014 to 2023, helping it grow revenue from roughly $8 billion to nearly $30 billion. He's also worked at AT&T, Virgin Mobile, Priceline, and American Express, bringing both tech and financial expertise. But his new role comes with challenges. Stop customer churn and rebuild loyalty. Manage the Frontier integration efficiently. Grow in a market where most carriers look the same. Analysts say Verizon's surprise leadership switch shows pressure to reset and innovate fast. Market reaction. After the news, Verizon's stock dropped about 4%. AT&T fell around 3%, and T-Mobile was down roughly 2.7%. Investors seem cautious but curious to see if Schulman's leadership sparks a turnaround. Going forward, everyone's watching whether Verizon shifts its strategy, improves customer value, and balances spending on 5G and broadband while keeping profits healthy. Outro. So, is this the bold move Verizon needed, or just a shuffle at the top? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed the update, hit like and subscribe. I'll keep you posted on all the biggest changes in wireless and tech. Until next time, stay plugged in.